can't get over this outfit you got going on right now.
Don't hate. My mom got this thing for 10 bucks, man.
Ben, what is the lesson of the day?
Fucking send it.
All right.
I think I'm gonna get red mine.
You fucking should, dude. You got the slowest thing out of all of us now.
I think it's so fast. I can beat you in the trails.
I'm not fucking knocking it. I mean, yeah, you can beat me in the trails. You're not.
That's because he's got this aerodynamic wingsuit over here.
Yes. Oh, hey, my wingsuit, okay.
Dry, don't forget.
I'm fucking
dry. Oh,
dude, we over here might
not even like the first 2 minutes. He hits a puddle and it just
fucking
I was like,
just gets us.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm happy I have the full windshield. It's just a bitch to see
He got
through every
the
once in a
quarter
while.
windshield and we just
get some windshield wipers on that thing, fucking.
Dude, I know, like a fucking Pagani. Yeah, it's like
Fucking
the one wiper. Bitch.
Just like the mud doesn't even move.
It's just like, all right.
It just mirrors. Ben's like,
Do you have like a... You have
Now Ben can't even see it all because it just fucking.
Oh, I used to,
amazing if I did.
like,
I
Ben would be
do.
sitting with me
Really?
in the
they
passenger
got,
seat. I'd be
water,
like,
you can just
Ben,
fill it up.
the
Yeah, I'm
windshield
about
needs
to do
clean.
that shit.
So much on my mind that I juggle. I don't drop the ball, I don't fumble. Guess you gotta aim high, be on that take flight. I don't see no break lights. We are not the same type. All you do is waste time. I can't let you take mine. Nah, I go hard. I go hard. Yeah, I go hard.
Yo, Sammy! Go forward now! Pin left, pin left! Yo, get it! Yes! Get it, dude! Put it in low! Get it! Get it! Yeah, boy!
That was crazy as fuck.
I got that! Good shit, good shit!
Go bottom out.
Not exactly what I planned, but we're gonna send it anyways! You went the wrong way, bud! Well, let's go find the owner of the GoPro. He got stuck next. He didn't want to go where literally all the razors were trying to go because, you know, this shit gets fucking soupy. So, here we are. Here's fucking Connor being a fucking dumbass. I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one today. Hey, Connor. Tell the camera how you feel.
Honestly, I thought I could shoot this little gap right here. It looked a little better. Turns out, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Be out. right, now I gotta climb this fucking hill in cowboy boots with no fucking tread. I guess your boy might as well drink a beer.